Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text direction in Excel from vertical to horizontal. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I change text direction in Excel from vertical to horizontal on this sheet. Now you can see here are vertical text. Now I change to horizontal. Go to home menu, then click orientation drop down menu. Now click angle counter clockwise. Now again go to orientation drop down menu. Now again press angle counter clockwise. Now you can see I change text direction in Excel from vertical to horizontal very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.